What if I told you that you can earn money while watching YouTube videos? By watching YouTube videos, you can earn $1 every 30 seconds for free. This method is popular among people worldwide as a way to make money online. With a brand new website, you have the potential to make thousands of dollars just by enjoying videos. Gone are the days when watching YouTube videos was considered a waste of time. Now you can relax, enjoy your favorite videos, and get paid for it. Signing up for this completely free website is all you need to do to start making instant money online. Welcome to Cash Money Ideas, where we provide you with the most up-to-date ideas, tips, and tricks to make money online. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and enable notifications so you'll be notified of new uploads. We value your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's continue with the video. Firstly, create a YouTube account if you don't already have one. Visit youtube.com and sign up for a free account by providing necessary details such as your first name, last name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can start using the platform to make money without any cost. Pay close attention to the steps I'll guide you through. Now let's discuss how to cash out your earnings. Many people forget to consider the withdrawal process when they engage in websites that pay for completing tasks. But don't worry, I've got you covered. The best part is that you can choose from various payment options such as PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and more. Personally, I prefer PayPal due to its wide availability, user-friendly interface, and instant payments. Let me know your preferred payment method in the comments and I'll consider creating videos about it. Moving on to the website we'll be using, it's called picoworkers.com. PicoWorkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners for affordable tasks. This platform allows you to make money by watching videos. PicoWorkers offers multiple ways to earn money online, making it suitable for those looking for a side hustle or a decent income by getting paid for watching videos. You don't need any technical skill or experience. Simply click play, watch the video, and collect your earnings. To begin, visit picoworkers.com and click on Freelance and Earn. This page displays the daily and hourly earnings of people using the website. You can see completed tasks, workers' nicknames, and their total earnings. People from various countries including Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, the Philippines, and many more are making money on this platform. Let me know your country in the comments and I'll create specific content for your region in future videos. People on this website have earned varying amounts from a few dollars to over $2,000. You can also view requested withdrawals and the payment options chosen by individuals who cashed out. The website provides proof of payments for transparency. Keep in mind that this method won't make you rich overnight or replace your day job. It's an opportunity to boost your current income on the side. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved this video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, sign up for a free account on picoworkers.com. Fill in your real name, email address, create a password, enter a nickname, and select your country from the extensive list. They accept people from all over the world. Choose I'm a worker and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. After completing the sign-up process, you can begin making money online. Follow the steps I'll outline. Once you log in, you'll see various available jobs, each offering different earning opportunities. On the right-hand side, you'll find the potential amount you can earn. Change the category to video marketing and click on Apply Now. This will display a range of jobs related to watching videos. You can choose from thousands of jobs where you'll be paid to watch YouTube videos from the comfort of your home. Watch these videos at your convenience and earn money while doing so. Here's how it works. Click on any available job. Since this is a new account, you'll need to provide some information about yourself, such as your date of birth, city, a security question, and its answer. After that, you'll see how much you'll be paid for watching the video. Follow the instructions, which typically involve going to YouTube, manually searching for specific keywords, finding a video with a designated thumbnail, watching the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping, and liking the video. You can mute the video if you prefer, as the goal is to earn money passively. You can even let the videos play in the background. Keep in mind that there might not always be jobs available for watching YouTube videos. To maximize your results and earnings on PicoWorkers, consider completing other tasks available on the platform. These tasks are straightforward even for beginners. You can engage with content, such as liking Facebook posts or clicking links to earn money. Although the pay might not be high, the simplicity of the tasks makes them worthwhile. If you're looking for an online side hustle, you can invest the money you earn through PicoWorkers into something you believe will increase in value over time. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.